Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Dreame Gleam high-speed hairdryer. It's a very high-speed hairdryer with a variety of features which I will show you now. So it has negative ions and different features. These are the specifications of the unit. Efficient fast drying. Alright. So the unit itself looks like this, which I will remove the box. It looks really good. Right, I'm going to turn it on so you can see how it works. Plug it. So the first level power and second level power, actually it's really strong. I'm not sure if you can experience this on the camera, but I'm going to try it. Then here is the temperature setting. So blew my cap off. But if I turn it on, so what you saw just now, the colors, is that it's a temperature setting, so you can change between hot, warm, and cold air. And then there's one setting which you've noticed, it goes from cold to hot, then hot to cold. It's a variable setting that alternates between the two temperatures, so it gives you a nice balanced experience. So I'm going to show you how powerful it is. Let me see if I got something to show you. Right. So this is about, I think, 300 grams or 500 grams. I think probably 300 grams. And just on the low setting, you can topple it. So it's really strong. Right. So I'm going to show you the manual, because in the manual they can show like how to maintain the unit. So I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the explainer for all the modes and settings. See? Okay, so this is the maintenance. Okay, so this is how you can maintain the unit as time passes. I'm going to show you the maintenance on screen. So this is magnetic. I can just pull it off. Yeah, so this is the part that you need to maintain. So yeah, there you go. Over time you need to clean the dust from this. Alright, there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys next time.